Hey, welcome people. So today we're going to talk about organization, particularly when it comes to your little gadgets like your power brick, your cables, and all that good stuff. So I don't know about you, but I hate when I lend somebody a charger, a block or something, and I don't receive it back, or I forget who I gave it to, or where I used it, or where I left it. Now we're going to talk about the Native Union travel pouch organizer. Now this has definitely helped me out a lot. Let's take a look inside and see what you get. All right guys, so here we have the Native Union travel pouch organizer, and as you can see, it comes with that nice little branding right here. What I noticed just by looking at it once I got it was that the build quality is very solid. As you can see, the zippers, you can't really see the zippers, so it has that water repellent type of material that it's built from. It's like splash resistance, right? And let's take a look inside. All right, so as you can see, it does come with 2 pockets to the side. It has a loop right here. This would be for your pencil, and it has some elastic straps right here. 1, 2, 3 of them. It has a pocket, a zip with a zipper, so you can put stuff in here, and also some slots, some extra pockets within that pocket that you can put like your SD cards and such. So let's put some stuff in there and see what it's like when everything is packed in. All right, let's go. So let's start off with my MacBook charging block. So it can actually go here, and it will not move around, it will not fall out, but I tend to normally put it right here in one of these pockets. iPhone charging block, put it here, that's tucked away. MacBook charging cable, that I put here. Then I have my charging cable for my iPhone tucked in, nice and neat. Next I have my charger for my Apple Watch cable, and that's tucked in. This right here, it's not a compartment, but I like having this around because I take a lot of photos, and this will help me to transfer my images to my iPad so I can view them. So I keep that there. I don't know if anybody else does that. Then I'm gonna add my hard drive, solid state hard drive, here in one of these pockets. Can't forget the cable. You can just fold that in, drop that in there too. Here, as I mentioned, you could put some memory cards in here just to tuck them in. And then once that is complete, you just kind of just zip that up, and everything is tucked away. So there you have it guys, everything neat. Forgot my pencil, Apple Pencil, slides into the loop where it belongs. So there you go. Now this definitely keeps me organized. Whenever I need something, I just take it out, and if something is missing, I know when and where I left it. And there you have it, all tucked away, nice and neat. All right, so there you have it guys, the Native Union travel pouch organizer, or that's what I call it. Now this retails for like $59. Depending on the one that you get, the color that is, you can get it a little bit cheaper. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but there are alternatives, and I'll list this and the alternatives in the description. This has helped me so much. Normally I would put all the accessories that I have in here in my bag. It has so many pockets and hidden compartments, sometimes the things get lost in there. But this, I just slide this in my bag. Whenever I need something, I just take it out, use it, and then neatly fold it back and put it in the pouch. Now it helps keeps me organized, and I know where everything is. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe as they always say, and hit the notification bell to see more content. So until the next time, peace.